Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you guys how to clean off the white mold or powdery mildew that begins to build up on your terracotta pots. From the research that I've done, it says that it's not toxic. However, I don't like the way it looks and I don't want it on my pots. So I'm going to show you guys how I clean them off. So I just have a little container here with some water in it, and I have this Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap. It's an all natural soap. So I'm just going to add a little bit into the water along with some neem oil. And neem oil is a triple action oil. It is it's an insecticide, a pesticide, and a fungicide, right? Or fungicide, insecticide, and miticide. So it's supposed to help with the white powdery mildew. I just put it in the water. The reason why you put the soap in there too is because the oil will separate in water, so the soap will help it to kind of come together. So this is what I have going right here. Just kind of got it together. And this is what, I don't know if you guys can see, let's see. This is what it looks like on the pot. This one's not as bad because I cleaned it not too long ago. I did not use the neem oil on it though, so I saw this trick today, so I thought I would try the neem oil. I did clean off before with just the soap and it worked, but obviously it's gonna come back. So I'm just gonna wipe down the pot. So now it's all gone. I'm just gonna set that there to dry. I have my peperomia here to do. This up here is just the calcium buildup, but I think I'm gonna clean that off too, because I'm really not liking the way that looks. Some people like the way the calcium buildup looks on there, but I'm just gonna scrub it off. And then I have one more plant to do after this, but I thought I would just show you guys how to do it. And then I'm just gonna set them here on my towel to dry. If you guys have any questions, tips, or tricks, please feel free to leave them down below in the comments, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!